everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the home of cookbook recipes. I have a surprise for you. I have a new cookbook. We have a new baby in the house, and this book is from the one and only Dr. Gundry, Dr. G. This is a book we are going to try and cook from today. We'll try a recipe from this book, gut check. So everything about gut health and everything, guys, is in this book. Get a copy of this book. And guys, today we'll try a recipe from this book. Wow. Now, all the recipes I've seen in this book don't have a photo. So guys, if you get this book, you will rely on me to give you a glimpse of the end product when you try a recipe from this book. This book is by Dr. Gundry, and if you know Dr. Gundry, guys, he's always promoting gut health, gluten-free lifestyle, lectin-free lifestyle. So guys, this is his new book, and I'm excited to try a recipe from this particular book. And today we'll try and make spiced frozen goat milk yogurt. I'm excited for this one. The reason why I'm excited for this one, this should be a very delicious, healthy treat. I've not tried, this is the first time I'm trying a recipe from this book. Let that be clear. This is the first time I'm trying a recipe from this book, but I believe this should be very healthy, very nutritious, and very delicious. So guys, welcome to today's video as we try this creamy dessert. And of course, you know, goat milk, goat yogurt is good for probiotics and everything. This book has a lot of information. One thing I've discovered about this book, the recipes are few, but a lot of it is the information, the reading about gut health and all that. Because let me show you so that you can see. So these pages are the ones that have the recipes, and these ones are the ones that have the information that you need to read about your gut health. Let's see what we are working with so that we can begin the video. The ingredients are very few. They're not many, they're not that complicated. So welcome to today's video. So guys, imagine this is all we are working with today for this refreshing snack. This is all we are working with today. I told you it doesn't have a lot of ingredients, guys. So let me show you. I have some monk fruit sweetener. The book uses allulose, but I don't have it, so I'll use monk fruit sweetener. So on this small plate, I have some, can you see? Yes, there. Some star anise. I have a clove. It's so tiny. I hope you can see. I have some cinnamon stick, and I have a strip of orange zest. And of course, the star of the show, the goat milk yogurt. Guys, get the book to get the exact measurements of every ingredients. Don't forget about that. And then we have some lemon. We are going to get some juice from it, some walnuts, and this is water. This is water. What I've forgotten is the salt, but you're not going to put the salt at this particular stage. So as you can see, very few. Oh Lord, I'm pouring the water. I'll have to wipe it. Very few ingredients. So let's begin the process. We'll start by making the spice syrup. So in my saucepan, I already have the sweetener and then the water. Like I said, guys, you need to get the book to get the exact measurements. Then we'll put the cinnamon, the star anise, the clove, and the orange zest. So the book says that you're going to heat it over medium-low heat and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the book uses allulose. So my monk fruit sweetener dissolves. Then I will let it cool at room temperature. Then I will tell you the next step. The aim here is to make sure the sweetener dissolves. So hopefully my monk fruit sweetener will dissolve, because that's what I have. I don't have the allulose. it is, guys. As you can see, the monk fruit sweetener has dissolved completely. So I will let it cool completely, then I will strain it and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. So guys, see you when we come back. See you when we come back. Hey, it smells really nice in this kitchen. So I am back, guys. Let's continue to the next step. Over here, I'm toasting some walnuts because we need some toasted walnuts. That's what I am doing. So as I toast them, let me show you how my syrup looks like, and then I bring my ice cream machine. We mix everything, guys, because these ones will go in later, not now. So here is my syrup. This is the way it looks like. Yes. Let me get a spoon. You can see it. Oh my god, it's stuck at the bottom. How are we supposed to remove it? I don't know. Look. Look. It's stuck at the bottom. Oh Lord. Oh, it's stuck here. Let me get like a small knife. Now what are this? Remember, guys, we are using a different sweetener. The book uses allulose. I'm using monk fruit sweetener. So good. Yay, success. So if you've tried this recipe with allulose, kindly help us in the comment section if you had the same problem. But here we are. Yay! Should we even call it syrup? I don't know. So here is our plain goat yogurt. Now we are going to mix it with we still call it syrup, huh? The book says it's syrup, so I'll call it syrup. With the syrup mixture. And then we're supposed to put some lemon juice. Here's my lemon juice. Some salt. Oh, there's another ingredient that I didn't talk about, guys. It's It's whiskey. It's optional. Whiskey or rum. I don't drink, so I don't have whiskey or rum. But the book says it's optional. So guys, I'm going to pour my mixture into my ice cream machine. And then I'm going to process it. Then from there we shall put it in the freezer. I think I'll do it 2 times. Because no, this seems a lot. So here we go, guys. So guys, let's check the progress. Oh Lord, like how is it supposed to look? Oh my god. Okay, we will not be discouraged. Now what we need to put is some walnuts, because I have 2 batches, because I have some here remaining. I'll put a few of the walnuts here, then the others, this ones I'll put in the next one. So this is what we've gotten, guys. I don't know why I've never made frozen yogurt, so, or this is the way it's supposed to look like. This running like regular yogurt, but we still have to freeze it. So I'll put the other one here. Thank God I have 2 containers. We're supposed to put this in an airtight container, and then you put it in the freezer. But the book says you can also serve it immediately. So I'll put mine in the freezer first. Then we'll serve it later. And then for some time, then I'll show you the end product. So as I put that in the freezer, I will let this one start processing. So guys, I'll see you when I'll be removing everything in the freezer. So let's check on our frozen yogurt. Let's see the progress so far. Look at this, look at this, look at this. So time to taste. Let us check on our frozen yogurt. The first time I removed it was a bit hard, so I've given it some time outside. Let's see if you're able to scoop it. Wait, it's not scoopable. Let me flip it because it's still hard on top. Not yet. Let's give it more time, guys. Let's check it again. Guys, this one. The car has refused. This one, we have to look for an alternative of, let me see. So I have this idea. I'll put it in a piping bag so that we can put it in our glass. Now at this point I am tired. So now we cut, which has already gone through all about. Let's see if it will give us. Oh, guys, as you can see, this one he has refused. So guys, I am back with our frozen yogurt. Am I a bit disappointed? Yeah, I felt like it will be more creamy, but it has not. But it's okay now. The only thing remaining is to taste. But I think that's the reason why the book had talked about the alcohol. And like I said, I don't drink alcohol, so alcohol is not an option here. That's why the book was saying it's optional, and it said not to use it, but it says it helps keep the yogurt creamy when frozen. That's what the book says. So the only thing remaining is tasting. As you can see, our first recipe from Gut Check by Dr. G. Dr. G. I put some chocolate chips on top. So let me see. Guys, the taste is guys, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. The taste of this frozen yogurt has done it justice, and it has given me peace in my heart. Even though it's not come out creamy, the taste has compensated for the lack of creaminess. The buried in the walnut, and then the bits of dark chocolate chip that I've put. Yeah, I'm eating frozen. I'm eating some frozen yogurt, guys. This is nice. This is excellent. My people, get this book by Dr. Gundry. Try out this frozen goat yogurt recipe, spiced frozen goat yogurt recipe, and trust me, you will enjoy it. If you're a person who doesn't take alcohol like me, don't worry. Don't worry. The tastes will not make you remember that it is not true. I'm discovering lack of creaminess. And all the time that I have to wait for it to defrost a bit. So all I have to do when I want to eat it, I have to remove it from the freezer a little bit earlier. But when I was making it in the ice cream machine, I felt some type of way. But this thing will not come out nicely. But I'm enjoying it. Let's see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below what you can do to make it better, and if you've gotten the book, which recipe have you tried and which one do you like. That's it for today, guys. Bye bye and God bless.